A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The first two licenses to start a ganja industry in Jamaica have been finally issued. The announcement came from Commerce Minister Carl Samuda as he made his contribution to the sectoral debate yesterday. But even as Mr. Samuda made the announcement, he was adamant the Cannabis Licensing Authority, CLA, will not be rushed into approving more licenses. Dashan Hendricks reports.
There has been outcry at the snail's pace at which things are moving to establish a ganja industry in Jamaica, but Commerce Minister Carl Samuda, in whose ministry the responsibility for granting licenses lie, said he's not perturbed by the debate.
Our current position is that we will not be pushed into making hasty decisions which compromise the process. We will not be pushed.
He, however, indicated that doesn't mean he will not work to get licenses approved as quickly as possible. Mr. Samuda says so far a total of 212 applications for licenses have been received by the Cannabis Licensing Authority, CLA, from 84 applicants, but 2 of those applications have been withdrawn.
Thus, 210 applications are currently being processed.
Of that amount, 26 have so far received the conditional approval. Documentation or the payment of fees remain outstanding for another 70 applications, but it's still good news for some.
The CLA has approved the granting of 2 full-fledged licenses. They are 2 licenses of Tier 1 status for processing and the other for cultivating. I must say that Tier 1 is the majority of the applications, and it covers approximately 1 acre of land. So these are small entities.
He says that the licenses will be granted in line with the rules and regulations surrounding a medical ganja industry, and the Ministry of Science, which deals with the research aspect of ganja, is fully on board.
Together, we will work to see what mechanisms can be pushed through the system in order to facilitate a more rapid processing of applications.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
In the meantime, Mr. Samuda says the plan to use monies in dormant accounts to fund the development of the micro, small and medium enterprise MSME sector is moving ahead. Approval came from Cabinet 2 weeks ago to explore the use of the unclaimed funds, which now amounts to $45 billion. Moving forward, both the Commerce and Finance Ministries will work closely to hire a consultant to prepare a proposal on how to proceed with the plan in a manner in which customers are not denied their rights to the funds. Under the law, unclaimed monies in financial institutions are to be turned over to government after a period of 15 years. Recently, the Finance Minister Audley Shaw indicated that he wants that time reduced to 10 years. Petrol prices are falling again this week. And for the details, we go to Dashan Hendricks at the Smart Board. Dashan?
Well, thanks. I can tell you that gas prices are going to be falling for a 4th straight week this week. Petrojam says it will be cutting the price of both E10 87 and E10 and 90 gasoline by some 25 cents. The prices have been inching down over the last 4 weeks, a period in which they have declined by some almost $1. What is falling more than gasoline this week is diesel, both the regular and the low sulfur variety, falling by $2.30 and $2.50 respectively. Kerosene is falling as well. It is going down this week by some $2.66. What's not going down is propane. It's actually going up by some 18 cents, but butane cooking gas is also going down, falling this week by some 73 cents. It's now back to you.
Thanks very much, Dashan. And the price of oil rose today. Oil for delivery in June ended the day selling for $47.33 a barrel. That is up $1.45 or more than 3% from yesterday. Now that represents the biggest one-day gain for oil since December. Let's look at currency trading now, which ended today with the US dollar selling for $130.02, inching above that $130 mark. The Canadian dollar sells for $95.55. The pound sterling costs $167.52, while the euro is selling for $142.20. And stocks ended mostly higher today, pushing the main JC market index up more than 2,963 points, while the junior market index fell by 12. The winners of the day, they included 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Carib Cement, Carreras, ISP Finance, Jamaican Teeds, Main Event Entertainment, the NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, and the Scotia Group. On the losing end were Cargo Handlers, General Accident, Jetcon, Lasco Distributors, Proven Investments, and T-Tech. And that's your business day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Have a great evening.